200 Union, looks like something modernized. Dover. Huh. Ah, fuck. Whoa, this is a strange mod. Oh, it's traction. Whoa, wait, this is definitely the original controller. Let's get our cab view. Maybe the down bell will work. Let's see. We'll let it close up here. Is there not another elevator here? No, I guess that's not working. Anyway, the cab got replaced. But like, this definitely runs like it's on its original controller. I wonder who modernized this. It's a strange big indicator. We'll go back up to 5. I think these are mad buttons. Look like it. This is I think 2000 Union in Lakewood. Look at that sign, I've never seen that either. Anyway. That's it.